JDU General Secretary KC Tyagi, in an exclusive one-to-one with NNIS, has called the BJP-PDP combine the dirtiest of the alliances. PL Punia has on the other hand said that BJP and PDP are meant to stay apart. PDP has termed as baseless rumors that there were differences between PDP and BJP over the issue of distribution of portfolios. Both parties will meanwhile sit together and decide the date of oath taking. BJP had on Friday unanimously decided to form the government with PDP and support PDP chief ministerial candidate Mehbooba Mufti.
Dirty and unholy alliance of Indian politics. BJP stands for national flag. BJP stands for nationalism. When the slogans of Hindustan Murdabad and Pakistan Jindabad are being raised in the valley, when the PDP and its leader Mehbooba Mufti was recorded on saying that the hanging of the Afzal Guru was a judicial crime, how can you form government with these people?
So you think the government is playing a dual standard regarding these kind of...
No, on the issue of patriotism, BJP has to come clean while making and forming government with the Mehbooba Mufti. I was reading the book of Mr. A.S. Daulat, the former Row Chief, who was with the Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. When Vajpayee was addressing one rally in Srinagar in 2003, along with Mufti Saeed, she wanted to be on the dais. Very politely, Atalji denied his entry into the dais, saying that she has got Hizbul Mujahideen connections.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और इसके नेता, उनकी कथनी और करनी में पूरी तरह से अंतर है। एक तरफ सिर्फ इस बात पर कि कुछ नारे लगा दिए गए और बाद में वो साबित हो गया कि जेएनयू में जो नारे लगे थे वो फर्जी डॉक्टर्ड सीडी थी और कन्हैया कुमार के ऊपर फर्जी आरोप लगाया था। एक तो इस सीमा तक वो चले जाते हैं और दूसरे अफजल गुरु को शहीद मानने वाली पीडीपी उनके साथ मिलकर सरकार बनाते हैं जम्मू कश्मीर में। हालांकि हम उनको चाहते थे कि सरकार जल्दी से जल्दी बने, लेकिन आत्मचिंतन करें भारतीय जनता पार्टी कि वो कथनी और करनी में कितना अंतर है। क्या देश के लोग इसको पहचानते नहीं है, जानते नहीं है?
Powered by NNIS.